Remember what you gotta do with the. Hold on, I was gonna say with the controls before you can take your feet off.
I might want to pull my chair forward a little bit. Because I can feel it in my back now. I can feel my lower back.
Brad, we just ended the lesson. And you want to adjust your seat?
No, it was fine. It was fine all the way through the lesson, but towards the end, I felt like having my feet out for so long, I felt a little.
Well, you don't just you see right at the end, do we? Okay, if you just switch your engine off for me.
Mhm.
That's it. Okay. How do you think that lesson went?
That was nice. These, just in this last like 3 turns, or like 3 laps of this, that's helped me a lot more. I feel as though, I wouldn't say I'm confident in it, but I feel as though I know I've got the foundation to know what I'm doing.